Today we're going to show you something very basic and simple, but extremely important on a Happy Japan embroidery machine. Not all embroidery machine models from other brands save the stitch number once the machine turns off or when the power goes out. This may sound very simple, but it's very important, because if the power goes out on a machine that does not return to the exact stitch number, your design can shift, or you might struggle to find the exact location where you were stitching. Let me show you. We're going to turn the machine off. As you can see, the needle stays down, out of position. And unlike other embroidery machines, you don't need to manually return it to the correct position, and the embroidery does not lose alignment. You simply turn the machine back on. Once you turn it back on, it automatically returns to its original point, and you can continue with the embroidery you were doing. Unlike some other brands where you need to manually return it to the correct degree and avoid moving the hoop at all, otherwise it shifts and won't return to the exact origin point. Once the machine turns on, it will tell you it's out of position. We press OK, and the machine automatically adjusts. You could do it manually, but the most recommended way is automatic, and the machine will find its origin point by itself. Once it does that, you can continue stitching exactly where it left off, without risking the loss of your design for any reason.